My name is Cash, as known as First Jaguar. My name is Azariah, also known as the King Lion.
Hello!
The Wildcats.
First love.
His name is Savage Tiger. He was the one who started this. He wanted us to have a group because us two used to fight a lot. Now we're like friends.
Our classroom all works together, and so I don't think that they're friends because of me, but I think that because we work together in our community in the classroom, that all the relationships that are built in there are possible.
It's this class. Her, our teacher, Miss Johnson, she inspired us, and so we're thankful.
Love is patient, love is kind, love is just what's on my mind. Love is like oxygen, you get too much, you get too high. Not enough, you're gonna die. Soon we could be reaching our goals.
Both of them work really, really hard to work together and create positive culture in our school.
I have empathy just like Dr. King. That's my favorite line. And then in love, I have, like we shared the love is like energy, because if you don't have energy, you're gonna have a frown on your face. So I have a lot of energy, that's why I smile every time. I made a line about patience, and I said, being able to hold the frustration, we are strong enough to wait and be patient. So, yeah.
And these students really enjoy rap and music and writing and being role models and living the Dr. King dream. And so giving them space to work on those skills and share with the community sets an example and also lets them feel really proud of themselves at school.
We just wanted to put it out there, just like Dr. King put it out there. I was like, why can't we make a song about love? And our other member, Marvin, put it in love, no hate. And so we rap to it love, 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 no hate.
If you put yourself in other people's shoes, you can see how they be bullied or something. You can see how their life is going and see if you can help them in some way.
Pretend that you're in somebody's shoes.
I feel like someday they're going to become actual rappers. This is practice for them until they become real rappers.